Listen to this. There's a guy, no coding degree, no tech background, didn't even know what an API was. And now, he's building software for clients, charging thousands of dollars every single month. Not by coding, by typing. Yeah, just typing what he wants. And the tool builds it for him. This changes everything. Because for the first time ever, you don't need to learn how to build software. You just need to know what to build. I run multiple businesses, and here's a rule we follow. If something is being done manually twice, we don't hire someone. We replace it with software. Last month alone, we shipped 3 internal tools that replaced hours of manual work. No dev team, no long timelines, just AI. But here's the part nobody tells you. Building the product? That's the easy part now. The real game is getting people to care, getting users, getting paid. So today, I'm not just building an app. I'm building the entire business around it, from scratch, in one place. We're going to build a real working app, add AI into it, create a pitch deck, and write launch content, all in one flow. No switching tools, no coding. Let's do this. Imagine this. You're a freelancer, or maybe you run a small agency. You've got leads, clients, deals scattered everywhere. Google Sheets, Notes, WhatsApp, total chaos. Instead of paying for expensive tools, what if you built your own, exactly the way you want it? So here's what we're building. A simple deal tracker for freelancers. Not some bloated CRM, just something clean, fast, and actually useful. I type, build me a freelance deal tracker. I want a contacts page, deal stages, and a dashboard showing revenue and conversions. Keep the design modern and minimal. It maps out everything. Pages, structure, data, flow. Like a real developer would. And here's the advantage. You can fix mistakes before anything is built. I approve it. And now, it starts building everything at once. Dashboard, contacts, deal pipeline, all live from one prompt. But let's be honest, right now, it looks basic, and basic doesn't sell. So we upgrade the design. Now, before we fix the design, let me show you something most beginners skip. If you don't know what good design looks like, you'll never build something people actually want to use. So here's what I do. I go to websites like Godly. It is basically a place where top designers share real UI ideas. Thousands of app designs, landing pages, dashboards, all in one place. For example, I pick this one. So instead of guessing, you just pick a style you like and tell the AI, make my app look like this. That's how you go from basic app to something people would actually pay for. Paste the link and tell it, match this design style. Now look at it. Clean, modern, actually feels like a product you'd pay for. That's the difference. Not just building, but building something people want. Now we test it. Add contacts, move deals, update stages, everything works. But here's where things get really useful. If you're a freelancer, you know this pain. You finish the work, and then comes the awkward part. Sending invoices, tracking payments, following up. Half your time isn't even work. It's chasing money. So let's fix that. Instead of adding boring back-end stuff, let's add something that actually makes you money. I type, add an invoice generator. When I create a deal, I should be able to generate an invoice instantly. Include client name, project, amount, due date. Also track payment status, paid, pending, overdue. Before it builds, I switch on plan mode. This is important, because now it thinks first, then builds. Now watch this. I open a deal, click Generate Invoice, and boom, professional invoice, ready to send. But it gets better. I also add, create a smart follow-up system. If a payment is overdue, automatically remind me or generate a follow-up message. Now, the app doesn't just track work, it helps you get paid faster. And here's the killer feature. And it creates project overview, pricing, timeline, scope, all ready to send. So in one place, you're managing clients, closing deals, sending invoices, and getting paid. That's not just a tool. That's a freelancer business system. Now let me show you something else. What if, instead of a client tracker, you were a freelancer who takes calls, consultations, discovery calls, paid sessions? Most people use tools like Calendly, but again, you're paying every month, and it's not built exactly for your workflow. So let's build our own. I type, build me a booking system. Clients should be able to select a time slot, enter their details, and book a call with me. Show upcoming bookings in a dashboard. And just like that, it creates a simple booking app. Now I open it, pick a date, select a time, enter details, and book a call. Done. But here's where it gets interesting. Now it's not just a basic tool. It actually fits my schedule. And we can take it even further. Add a field for paid sessions. Show price before booking. Now you've turned it into a paid booking system. Think about that. Instead of paying for tools every month, you build exactly what you need, and you own it. That's the shift.